Hey guys, so you know I've been wanting to prank Jabari, but nothing seemed to be working. I've had 4 failed pranks so far. So today I want to do the poop prank. So I'm in the bathroom setting up the camera. I'm using my GoPro, so I'm not sure how it's gonna look because I think this is my first time actually filming on my GoPro. But he's in the living room playing game. So I took the peanut butter. It's on here and I want to do a poop prank, so I'm gonna set the camera up and prank Jabari to thinking I got poop on his hand when I asked him to bring me some toilet paper. So I hope this is a success, you guys. Wish me luck. Hiding the tissues. Jabari? Jabari? Could you pass me some tissue, please? Tissue! Huh? I'm in the bathroom. We're using the bathroom.
But there's tissue in the bathroom.
There's no tissue in here.
Here.
Come.
Oh, it's actually all done. Hey, why you have wet?
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Yo!
Oh, sorry.
Yo!
Jabari!
Yo! Yo, man. No, it's me.
Jabari!
Yo, no.
What happened?
Oh, please.
What happened? What happened? What happened? What is it? What's wrong?
Mommy.
Sorry.
Mommy, I jumped this, mommy.
What happened?
Mommy, don't touch me, move.
What happened?
Move.
What is it?
Mommy.
I'm sorry.
No, mommy.
It was an accident.
No, move.
Sorry.
Move.
Sorry.
Oh, God. Mom,
Yeah.
what's this?
What do you mean? The pool probably catch you.
What is this in this thing? Oh, snap! I knew it wasn't poo, but that actually was right there. That's tough. How did he do that?
You got pranked. You got pranked. You got pranked. You got pranked.
See, this got the color. What?
Poopy. It's peanut butter.